In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add multiple accounts to your TikTok account. Okay, so I'm on my profile, and right at the top of my profile, you can see my username. And if you go ahead, you can see a little down arrow. If you tap on your username, it's going to open up this menu where you can see all of your current accounts. Now, all you need to do to add another account is tap on add account. And now you have various options. You can continue with all these options. So I'm going to just choose Google. Then I'm just going to go ahead and select the Gmail address I want to use for this TikTok account. And you'll just need to put in your birthday. Once you've done that, tap on next. And now it's making the account. And I'll just go ahead and select a username for my new account. Now, if you already have an account, you'll just need to log in with that Gmail. It won't ask you to sign up again. So I've entered in my username that I want. It's available. So now I tap on sign up. And just like that, I have another account within this account of my TikTok. So if I tap on my profile, you can see now I have two. So that is how you add multiple accounts on TikTok in 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.